Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Dev with Excel. All right, so today we are solving exercise 1.7. All right, previously we solved exercise 1.6, which required that our output is something like this or something similar to this. So I believe we were able to successfully implement the code to getting this. Okay, coming down to today's task, exercise 1.7, let's see what the instruction is. It says we should expand our application so that it shows more statistics about the gathered feedback. So here we have the total number of collected feedback, which is all. We have the average score, which is this as a value, given that good should be 1, neutral should be 0, bad should be -1. And also the percentage of positive feedback, which is this. All right, so here is what we need to add to our previous code implementation under exercise 1.1 UniCafe step 2. All right, so let me take this up. Okay, now as you can see, I've been able to add the folder which contains the files for step 2, and I'm simply going to cd into it. That's cd step 2. Okay, so let's be sure that this code runs at this point by doing npm run dev. Okay, so this code runs well for now. All right, then we need to go to step 2 under the src folder and then app.jsx file. So I minimize this terminal. Also, I do the same thing here, and here is our code. Now let's update this code such that we are going to be having all here. All, that's the total number of collected feedback. So simply we copy this and we change bad to all. And here, to get the total number of collected feedbacks, we need to add good, neutral, and bad. So we come here and say good plus neutral plus bad. So we save this and see if we've done the right thing. Okay, so right now we have 3, right? So here we have 9 because we have 6 for good, 2 for neutral, and 1 for bad. So let's just come here and do that. So let's give 6 to good, 2 for neutral. Okay, bad should be 1. All right, so let's leave that as that for now. So let's see if we have other implementation. All right, so let's look for average, right? Let's work for average. So how do we work for average? Let's just copy this entire code and then let's paste it here. Let's call this average. Now to calculate for average, we need to find the sum of all of this divided by the total number of collected inputs. Now take note that it's been said in the instruction that 1 should be assigned for good. For neutral, we have 0, and then for bad, we have -1. So this is almost the same thing as saying we are subtracting bad from good divided by the total here. So we simply just wrap this with a round bracket. Then here we say we write another round bracket. Inside it we say good minus bad, and then the result we divide it by the total number of collected feedback. So this should give us the average. Let me save this and see if that works. Average is 0.4. Average is 0.5. Okay, now let's refresh this so that we give good 6 and then neutral 2 and then bad 1. Okay, we can see that here we have all for 9 and then we have 0.55556 as we have here. So this shows that our implementation works correctly, right? The next thing we need to do is we are expected to work on Let's check the structure. We are expected to work on the percentage of positive feedback. Here we have 66.6667%. Okay, so let's see if we can get that done. Let's copy this and then let's paste this. Then let's call this positive. Okay, so let's change this average to positive. And now, how can we get the positive feedback? We understand that good is the only positive feedback we have here. Neutral is not, bad is not. So here we simply just remove bad here. Let's save our code. We can see here that we have 0.666666, right? Then let's check what we have here. We have 66.this%. So let's add the percentage here. Let's save this. And also don't forget that looking at this part here, since we've added the percentage sign here, we need to multiply this by 100 so that 0.66 becomes 66. So here becomes 66.6666. Here we can see that we have 0.66, which is not supposed to be so. So here we are supposed to just say good multiplied by 100. Let's see if this works. If it doesn't work, we try some other ways. Okay, so we can see that we have good multiplied by 100 divided by the sum of collected feedbacks, which is 66.6667 percentage. All right, so with this, we've come to the end of the code implementation for exercise 1.7. And in our next video, we are going to be working for exercise 1.8. All right, so till then, see you in the next video. Bye.